Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Centreville, Virginia. Now, one thing I tell my men on every job is to make sure that the property is 100% protected from falling debris. And also, if you can bring the dump truck up to the house, that would be ideal. Now here you can see the gentleman is walking over the front and he's throwing the old shingles in the dump truck. And this really comes in handy when you have the dump truck right next to the house, because when we strip the roof in the back, hardly any debris hits the ground and we just walk it over the front and we just dump it in. So here you can see there's very little debris on the ground. Now let me take a walk around the back and I'll show you what the back looks like as well. Now the only time we can't pull the dump truck up against the house and rip off the roof from the back and bring it over is when the roof is very steep. But for a home like this, it's perfect. Yeah, we got another top over here, and you'll see there's hardly any debris. See? And the roof is already stripped. So again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement in Centreville and all areas of Northern Virginia. I could be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.